How to add contacts on Telegram X. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add them. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon. Here, you'll be able to find contacts. Tap on contacts. So, these are the contact section. Here on the right top, you can see this plus icon. Tap on this plus icon. So this is the place where you can add a new contact. Here you can select the country, select the number, and here enter person's name and number. So after you do this, you can simply save it as you wish. At last, you can go back and it will be added to your contacts. After that, you can easily have conversations and chat with the same person. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.